In our first community conversation today, we're joined by Susan Aronhalt, a clinical social worker with UVA Health. She's sitting down with Casey.
All right, thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, we are happy to have you, and we're talking about support today. How valuable would you say is a support group when it comes to dealing with a condition like a brain tumor?
So a diagnosis of a brain tumor is very overwhelming and can change your life so quickly. You may experience fear, anxiety, and just generally feeling overwhelmed trying to navigate the healthcare system and dealing with this new diagnosis. Having the best medical care that you can have, and also having the best holistic care that you can have to deal with those emotional pieces of things, and to really know that you have people with you to navigate and have support on that journey is really important.
Yeah, to know just that you're not alone, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So describe how the new brain tumor support group at UVA Cancer Center is going to work. What can people expect?
So the Brain Tumor Education and Support Group, we're really excited about. This group has been created specifically for people with a low-grade brain tumor diagnosis. These are people that are dealing not just with their diagnosis, but also continuing to work sometimes while they're receiving treatment. But they may be experiencing cognitive changes, behavioral changes, a lot of anxiety. And so we're hoping to provide education, support, coping strategies, looking at some topics such as nutrition and brain health, helping to improve their sleep, navigating cognitive changes at work and some strategies around that, and getting to share other people's experiences and create a community.
Yeah, so a lot of different helpful things. How can people join this group?
So the best way to get information about this group, and really any of patients and for caregivers, is to go to uvahealth.com, and you can see information about all of our support groups and the best way to register for these groups. We're really excited coming kind of out of COVID and being able to create a community atmosphere so people can really access support.
Yeah, it's so important. And if people are interested in maybe some of the other support groups at UVA Cancer Center, how can they get in touch, involved with those?
So absolutely looking at the website, but also I would encourage people when they're in the Cancer Center to ask about speaking with a social worker. They can ask their medical team to speak with a social worker, or call the main number 434-924-9333, and also ask to speak with a social worker there. And we'd be happy to just go over all of the support services available.
All right, thank you so much for taking the time to be here today.
Thank you.
Yes, we'll have you back soon.